Welcome to our YouTube channel. Running. A complete guide for beginners to get started. How to start running. How to start running, a beginner's guide to get you moving. Running is a fantastic way to improve your physical fitness, boost your mood, and increase your overall well-being. It's a simple and accessible form of exercise that requires minimal equipment, making it a popular choice for people of all ages and fitness levels. If you're new to running and want to lace up your shoes and hit the pavement, this article will provide you with a beginner's guide on how to start running and get you moving towards a healthier lifestyle. Get the right gear. The first step in starting your running journey is to invest in the right gear. While you don't need to splurge on expensive equipment, having a good pair of running shoes that fit you well is essential to prevent injuries and make your running experience more comfortable. Visit a specialty running store to get fitted for the right pair of shoes that suit your foot type and running style. Additionally, wear moisture-wicking clothes to keep you dry and comfortable during your runs. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is crucial when starting any exercise routine, including running. It's essential to have a plan in place to keep you motivated and focused. Start with small, achievable goals such as running for 10 minutes without stopping or completing a specific distance, and gradually increase your goals as you build up your endurance and strength. Be patient with yourself, as progress takes time and consistency. Warm up and cool down. Before you start running, it's essential to warm up your muscles to prevent injuries. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing dynamic stretches, such as leg swings, arm circles, or lunges, to get your body ready for the activity. After your run, don't forget to cool down by walking or lightly jogging for a few minutes, followed by static stretches to improve flexibility and prevent muscle soreness. Start with walking and jogging. If you're new to running, it's essential to start slow and gradually build up your endurance. Begin with a combination of walking and jogging to allow your body to adapt to the demands of running. Start with brisk walking for a few minutes, then alternate with short intervals of jogging. As you progress, gradually increase the duration of jogging and decrease the walking intervals until you can run continuously without stopping. Pay attention to your form. Proper running form is crucial for efficiency and injury prevention. Keep your posture upright, with your head up, shoulders relaxed, and arms swinging naturally by your sides. Avoid bouncing or overstriding, as it can cause unnecessary strain on your joints. Aim for a midfoot strike, landing softly and rolling through your foot as you push off. It's also crucial to listen to your body and take breaks if you feel pain or discomfort. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to running. Aim to run at least 3 to 4 times a week to build up your endurance and stamina gradually. It's okay to start with shorter distances or run-walk intervals and gradually increase the duration and intensity of your runs. Create a schedule that works for you and stick to it, but also listen to your body and give yourself enough rest days to avoid overtraining. Stay hydrated and fuel your body. Running is a high-impact activity that requires proper hydration and nutrition. Drink water before, during, and after your runs to stay hydrated and replenish the fluids lost through sweat. Also, fuel your body with a balanced diet that includes carbohydrates for energy, protein for muscle recovery, healthy fats for overall well-being. Consider eating a light snack or meal 1 to 2 hours before your runs to keep your energy levels up. Join a running group or find a running buddy. Running can be more enjoyable and motivating when you do it with others. Joining a running group or finding a running buddy can provide you with support, accountability, and companionship during your runs. You can find local running groups in your area through social media, online forums, or through running specialty stores. Running with others can also help you stay safe, especially if you're running in unfamiliar areas or during early morning or late evening hours. Listen to your body. It's crucial to pay attention to your body when you're starting to run. It's normal to feel some muscle soreness or fatigue, especially as you're building up your endurance. However, if you experience sharp or persistent pain, dizziness, or difficulty breathing, stop running and seek medical attention. It's essential to rest and recover when needed and not push through pain or discomfort,